Let's see how our run is doing. We can see that we're now at the step around like 50,000, almost 50,000. If I click this link, I'm going to be redirected to the browser with this Neptune run opened, and you can see that we're also at step 50k roughly, which means the metrics are available in near real time for you to explore. So now that I know the configuration, I want to run my long training script. I'm just going to kick this one off and walk you through the script step by step. So while this is running, what we're actually doing in this code is initializing the Neptune run. This is gonna allow us to log all the metrics, and you can specify run ID and experiment name for like a more human-friendly name if you want to. You can also use, alternatively to this, you can use one of our library integrations. So for instance, we have a great integration with PyTorch, Lightning, and some of the other frameworks, but you don't need to. You can use the direct run like this. My script then initializes the model with parameters. Obviously, we log all the config parameters to Neptune as well, and then we go through the fairly standard training loop, where we run the training step. We capture train and loss and train accuracy. We then log everything we may need to debug this model at any point during this training. So we capture all the metrics that I found useful for every attention block, every layer of my model, such as weight norms, gradient norms, and so on. And then we run evaluation as well every few steps. And then we log all the metrics to Neptune at each step. We also save the checkpoints, and that's it. So let's see how our run is doing. We can see that we're now at the step around like 50,000, almost 50,000. If I click this link, I'm going to be redirected to the browser with this Neptune run opened, and you can see that we're also at step 50k roughly, which means the metrics are available in near real time for you to explore. And we have all of our metrics here. I can scroll through them. I can see all of my activations, weight norms, and so on. So this is all working great. I can now relax and hopefully get back to it only when something goes wrong, which it will. If you run such a training run for a bit more time, you probably will end up with something like this. This is a dashboard from another LLM pre-training that we ran a while back. So you can see that there's a bunch of issues with various early runs, and then they are resumed with different settings, tuned, improved, and they continue all the way to convergence at the end. Hopefully this also illustrates how nice dashboards and reports are in Neptune. You can even add multiple charts, multiple metrics for multiple runs with multiple custom expressions in one chart. So all of that should be useful not just for debugging, but also for reporting of your work, especially with the markdown annotations that I have here.